Hey friends, and welcome to the preview video for this month's tutorial on Patreon. This month we're painting a beautiful landscape that is a little bit moody but also plays with light and with perspective to force the viewer's eye, and I love the little deer in the center. There's a couple of things you will learn in this tutorial. First, you'll learn how to paint that moody sky with the wet in wet technique. Then I'll show you how to paint foliage in the background as well as in the foreground of the painting. Then I'll show you how to direct the viewer's eye using composition and how to direct the viewer's eye using colors in our piece. And lastly, I'll teach you how to paint the silhouettes of the deer in the painting and make them look like they belong there instead of being stuck on later. Become a member on Patreon for the full step-by-step tutorial of this painting and many more. Hope to see you there. Bye!